Good morning, my great people. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. And of course, today is another beautiful day. I want to say good morning from the place you're watching us from. Good afternoon, good evening. It depends actually with the location or with the time of the day that you're watching our videos. So welcome all, and feel free to subscribe and also comment down below about this video. So today's video is another special video. I'm coming live from the Maasai land. Actually, this video I'm shooting, there's a border right there. A lot of people are using motorbike, and today is also a market day. But what's really making us to travel all the way from our Korea land to Maasai land? Most people will be asking, where is Maasai land? Maasai land is the neighboring community with Koreans. I'm a Korean. In Kenya, we have sub-tribes, all tribes. 42 tribes that speak different languages. Like me, I can speak Kikuria. They can speak Maasai. There's somebody can speak Kikisi. There's somebody can speak Luo. Somebody can speak Kalenjin. Somebody can speak Akamba. So all of those, we all call one people, one nation. Of course, let me know in the comment section, does your nation have those? How many tribes or how many languages does your nation speak? But all of those, we are all united in one language, that is Swahili. And of course, our mother language, Swahili. Another one, we call it English, which is our second tongue language that we always speak. So let's put that aside. It's just a small synopsis of the knowledge about to educate you about how everything is around here. So this day today, we just took a car. Hey, Saba! Hey, Sabole! Yeah, that's how you greet people. In the Maasai land, they say Saba, Sabole, which means hi, how are you? It's like me saying Mura, Mbuyore, Mbuya, which means are you good? Are you good? Yeah, so that's how we always speak. So like me, I thank God, I can say I'm a multilingual, which doesn't mean you can speak more languages. So like me, I can have an idea about speaking or greeting in Maasai land. Are you ready? We have to go, and today we hire a car, and now do is to go and visit mother-in-law farm. You know, of course, we are young farmers, and in that regard, therefore, we are going to visit our other land in Maasai land, and I want to show you a very huge sugarcane plantation that my mother-in-law told me come and visit. I want to see how. And of course, for those that don't know, you have a mother-in-law and you'll be able to see him or her, and then maybe you can have a small chat with him. So let's cruise, and we'll be able to see some green lush Maasai land, and maybe of course we should be meeting some lions, antelopes, and other wild animals, because here is where we have the biggest wildlife conservation. That's Maasai Mara. So let's go and see how it is. Soba! Hey, Sibole, Soba. So that's it. And also you'll be able to see how Maasai put their attire. This is the only community that preserve their culture. Let me know, do you also preserve your culture? Are you ready for this? Let's vamos. Oh wow, look at this green. This is a sugarcane plantation. This is how you do it. So the moment you see this way, has plowed for the first time, and now this one will go for around 6 months again, and you'll be able to harvest again 1 year. You'll be able to have. We have different species of sugarcane in which we are going to learn around about the sugarcane. We have the ones that they are very tender and chewable. This kind of sugarcane that prepare all the sugar petals is very hard, very hard. It's very hard for you even to chew it, you know. So this is how you see it, and this is the land that you are seeing over here. So I'm trying to see where is mother-in-law over there passing. Very great and amazing. Look, that's how you put on Maasai girl. All right, so let's move. Let's continue with the journey and you see how everything is around here. All right. Hey, amazing guys. So we are here. I think there are some maize or corn that is being harvested from this other side. Let's check, and it's regarded as a yellow corn. Is it yellow or
It's yellow.
yellow corn, right?
In America, I hear it's given to cows.
It's called sweet corn.
It's given to cows.
This one?
Yeah, for like they give corn to cows.
For milk production.
I'm not so sure why.
But this one is very, very nice. It is called yellow corn, and it has a very, we call it kibendi. Let me know in the comment section how do you call this kind of maize, and they're really another land number 2. Our friends, so we want to dash in.
It's deep. Oh my God, it's
very,
huge.
Very far, you know, you can see from the fencing, very, very huge. That's why I told you, a Maasai can't sell land to you, but he can lease land to you. You can imagine this all land from there all the way to the other side belongs to one person.
Yeah.
So yeah, we are here, and also let us know in the comment section how do you call this kind of maize. With us we call them kibendi. When we prepare ugali, the ugali becomes yellow and it's very, very, very super sweet.
Is there a difference between this one and the popcorn one?
The popcorn one are very little, small and tiny, and they are like they have tongues.
Okay.
On the up on top. But this one they're very flat, like the other corn or corn maize. So it depends with only the color. You know, we have different colors like this. So many colors. We have pink, purple. Nowadays I don't see those kind of maize growing at our place. You used to plant a maize that has maybe white, but you'll end up finding that it has colored maize, pink, purple, red, a lot. But when you go to the posho mill, you find it's white flour.
Okay.
Right, so let's go and check what's happening on this other end, and we'll be able to share with you what's amazing on this other end, and you'll be able to know about sugarcane plantation. So after traveling from the Maasai land, unfortunately it rained too much. So next thing that I never shared with you the full tour of my mother-in-law's land, and also say sugarcane plantation. But wow, the nature is really calling. But I want to be taking you to our watermelon farm. For those who doesn't know, we have a watermelon farm, so I want to take you there, and also I'll be liking you to share with us some ideas, some advice about the watermelon, because right now is almost harvesting time, but you know, the watermelon can't tell you that it doesn't have anything attractive that shows you that it's ready, because it doesn't have any smell that shows you that it's ready, or it doesn't go ripe. So right now I'm not quite sure if they're really mature, but I want to take you there and also check on it, because the due time or the due date is almost ready. By the end of this month everything will be ready. So this time I see they're kinda conspicuous, kinda big, but I'm not much sure if they're really ready. So join me to this journey as I take you onward to our watermelon farm, and also share with you our farm updates, and I'll really love also to hear back from you at the comment section. So ensure subscribe, road to 30,000 subscribers, and that will be the best. And of course we're also having another project here. This is a project I want to right here. At this time we will be putting here what we call like they will be planting maize, but we have this kind of a place where we are making our own bricks. These are bricks made from mud. Some days I'll be sharing with you how these bricks are really made. You see, like this is raw, but the moment it's being burnt in a kiln, and it becomes like this. You see, become very red. So the ones you see, they consume that. So just this portion from where you see the tree this way. So this pit, it will be used to making bricks. So those ones can aid me to, because I used to do that and sell them. By selling them, you get some money, pocket money. So you employ someone to do it for you, and that's how it is. Because these ones that are inside here, they're not much enough, because I did them when I was almost doing what we call like try to build a toilet at my farm, and all of a sudden things went not okay. So we want to burn them, and then we wanna see what's happening. And also father is harvesting. Hey bro.
Yes, hi.
Yeah, introduce yourself, man.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to Claude YouTube channel. And you're there. Subscribe, like, share, leave us a comment. It's another morning here in the village, and I'm trying to harvest here and there. Then I'll be like
Harvesting, you're slashing right now. You're slashing.
right now I'm slashing, so I'll be removing them from this inside here. As you can see, this is the maize
Yeah.
in here.
Yeah.
So I'll be removing this maize
Yeah.
from here. Then again I'll be, how do you say it?
You do
Like,
maize shelling.
Yes, maize shelling.
Okay, man. Alright, guys. Subscribe to his YouTube channel. He's my young brother by the name Claude. So, are you ready for me to take you to our watermelon farm after the big fail of visiting mother-in-law's farm? So, let's head there and enjoy our farm melon, you know? Alright. So, we just arrived here. Now to remove this first. Oh. Yeah, so people have really harvested maize. Yeah, people have really harvested. That's what you see. Right now there's nothing like greenery. Everything here used to be so green, very green. But as it, let us open our gate. The only thing you see it's our forest and our watermelon. So let's open our gate, guys, and then I want to share with you, okay? Our gate is wide open, and this is how you see our kales or sukuma wiki. Oh my god, our sukuma wiki is really doing amazing. Soon the only thing that is waiting is for weeding. You will start weeding, and also I see a lot of suckers. Let me show you a lot of suckers. So this sukuma wiki, these are their seedlings now. These ones you see down here. So also have to replant this. You see there's a lot of them. I have to replant them all the way. So I have to prepare land down here and also start to do what you call like to replant them. To replant them a lot. Wow. I'm so much happy. Also this banana has its own seedling from this other side. So here this place, the land is kinda dirty right now because it has a lot of weeds on this other side. So how to just know how to balance this land, because also we want to plant more other farm products. So I really love to do what we call like to replant. But I'm so much happy. I'm seeing some watermelons. Great job. There are ones that they were small, they're kinda very big. Look at this. This is kinda ready. Only some small scratches, but we have managed. We have managed actually. This one is out of the bounds, so should be here. Come on, man, like that. We have managed. The only thing we have managed to do what we call like the fly. There's a fly called melon fly. The melon fly is a very critical fly, that insect that can destroy everything in just few minutes over here. But we have really tried, and the better thing is, oh my god, I can see now growing big. Oh man, they're really now growing big. By the end of this month we'll be harvesting and doing and put some other stuff. Oh, this one, I have been pressed by this. Come on, man. You know, this, if you try to leave it this way, it has been pressed thoroughly. You know, this is the time that when they are really growing big. So you have to maintain. You have to maintain. So I think they are in here. They are in here. You see, there's some insects. Those are called melon flies. Very critical insects. But of course, that's how you see. You cannot even touch it with one hand. They are really, really, I'm so much happy, you know, very, very much happy with these fruits, guys, you know. Of course, let me know in the comment section what do you think about this, because right now it's almost ready. They are almost, and of course, which kind of this is this? Which kind of watermelon is this? No, we have this. This one looks like calabash, you know, because I just did what you call bought Scurry F1, but I'm seeing some different variety. You see this variety, and this variety is kind of different, even from the outer skin. This one has some tiny strips, and this one has bigger strips. Also the same, but it's on the same plant. You see, this one is kind of the same, or is it a disease? But I'm not quite sure, because if it could be a disease, could have seen it. You see, there's a difference between these and this. But anyway, hopefully they are doing better. So like this one is sitting, so you have to put it to sleep like that, and just like this. I'm telling you, these things, like, they are like baby. The way you take care of a baby, a young baby, or the way you take very much care of what you call like a toddler, it's the same way you take care of these plants or these fruits, you know. So this is how you see it, and I'm so much happy and also very much grateful, very much grateful, because the yield that we are getting, for a start, you know, this one we started just for benchmarking, and we see it's really doing good. Sometimes you regret yourself by saying, hey, I wish I could have planted maybe 2 acres or 3 acres. But on the other hand, you also say, hey, this is better, because right here, the care that you have been here, maybe pest control, disease control, it has really costed us a lot. But for those who are farmers, they really understand what it is by growing this watermelon. And actually, this is a start. I've never grown watermelons. This is a start. I just started, which really tells me that this plant can really do good and better if we do what you call like invest more on this. And I think at this moment today, oh man, I think at this moment today, I'll have to take 1 watermelon to my family so that they can launch it. If it will be ready, you'll be there to witness. If it's ready, then we can see. But if not ready, then we have to wait for 1 week. But I'm really much pleased with this work. So if you want to put your orders, please put the orders right now, right now. So because with me, I'll just bring here a buyer and tell the buyer, this is the farm, choose what is better for you, and then everything will be like so. Yeah, and of course there's also another big watermelon. I think this is for the family. Right today, I'm going to take it to the family, and then we can try. I'll harvest it today. It will be the first yield harvested on this watermelon. I don't know if it's ready or not. I always see the Indians do like this. The Indian farmer do like this, and then they do like this. If it bursts, but it has that voice of you see, there's some cracks here, which means there were some kids, they even threw this. Actually, we were extending something over here because our farm is very big. So over here, that's what you see. We want to do what we call like we were fencing, adding some fence all the way down here. we are adding some, just to put some security to our land. Because if you don't secure your land like this, if you don't secure your land like this, maybe by putting up some poles and secure it like this, there are some people who always have a habit of doing what we call like extending boundaries. So for example, let me share with you something. Woo, there's a lot of wind blowing, man. It's early morning here, I'm telling you, it's raining. Wow. Let me share with you something over here. Why most people prefer to buy land and fence it or secure it like this, right? Like that's like that. You see, even when I bought land, I did what you call like I put a beacon. This is a beacon. The beacon is a reinforcement of a rod, a steel bar. Let me use a steel bar. And you can dig maybe 2 to 3 feet down, 2 to 3 feet downwards, and then you do concrete, and then you insert that rod downwards. So that's what we call like beacon. So with me, when I bought land, the most is to put this beacon every corner, to put this beacon, and then you reinforce your land with maybe security like this. So the moment you put them like this, it really marks what we call like your boundaries. Because there's some people, if you don't put, you know, they always, let me show something. When you buy land over here, mostly we use what we call like sisal. Sisal are the boundary markers. So most people use sisal, but if you get a bad neighbor comes and dig and extend. So some days you'll find if you bought your 50 by 100 shamba or land, you'll end up having maybe 45 by 100 or that even. Some goes more and more. Some extend to go more and more, maybe by extending, and they become very bitter when they extend your land. Oh, I don't know. Here's your boundary. But when you bring what we call a tape measure. A tape measure is the one that really gives you the real what you call like vibe of how or when you bought land. So a sisal like this, you see, like me, there's a sisal like right here, but at this sisal we have what we call like a beacon. Because there's people who, like me, let me say it like this neighbor, if I haven't really reinforced my land by doing what we call like fencing it like this way, you could come and find that the moment they are plowing using animals like cows like this way, they go with this. They put a djembe down here, like shoo, it goes with there. So the moment you don't really put a fence like this, you'll find out that your land has gone. They have squeezed, and they don't squeeze like big like ones. No, just some inches. The moment the djembe goes that way, just like that, some inches, then in some few days you come and find that, oh, your land has really gone. That's how people steal land. Don't think that people steal land by maybe taking it from one side to another side. No, they steal land by extending slowly by slowly, inch by inch. So that's it. If you have bought land, those are tips of buying land. If you have bought land, just call a surveyor and tell the surveyor, these are this is the piece of land, or this is the parcel of land that I've bought. Please do some survey and show me the boundaries, and let them be there also, the buyers. And then after that, just put your beacon with your surveyor. Put your beacon every corner, the beacon. After you put the beacon, just cover it up with soil and go. One day you'll try. One day you'll call and say, Claude, you really helped me doing this, because people really squeeze land. And the moment you come and show, here's where I put my beacon, and you'll find that, let me give you an example, that here's your beacon, and you bought this parcel of land towards this side, and you'll find maybe this neighbor of yours This beacon has been maybe covered with soil, so they don't know that your land reaches here. So you'll find that they have maybe farmed up to this point. Eh? They farmed up to this point. So the moment you come to ask them, why have you used my land? They tell you your land reaches here. But you tell them, okay. You come and then you secure your beacon. You tell them, my beacon is here. Who put this beacon here? Let's do some real measurement. That's how most of the people, maybe they fight over land. And when they fight over land, you end up maybe one killing each other because of the land, because of the piece of land. So it's better for you to secure it. Look for a surveyor, do better measurement, put your beacon afterwards, secure your land maybe by fencing it or maybe by doing something constructive towards it, and that is it. Well, this is how it is. We came to check on our farm because mother-in-law farm, it rained too much and we couldn't go through, but I showed you a synopsis of the land, how the land is. But this is what you see. We are having a lot of kales, and my plan is also to put some kale just right here because we have a lot of suckers to be transplanted. You see this one over here, and also if you need some, please DM me. I'll be selling them. DM me and tell me, Claude, because this is the most lovable kale ever. This is the most lovable kale over here. It's called Nyabisaga. So if you need some, please DM me. And it never grows. It never goes old. This never grows old. You can eat it until you are what you call like your grandchildren can find this from a week. So with me, I'm having a very big case over here. So I have to maintain it very well, clean it and extend it to this other end, and then we see how everything is. Right now everybody is busy with farm because it's harvesting time, and also it is planting time. So there are those who have harvested and there are those who have already harvested, and they are doing what you call like, they want to do what you call like farming. So tomorrow I'll show you how we'll be doing what you call like plowing here with animals, and then we shall do something, and then we have to plant something very, very nice. So I'll share with you. But for now, watermelon season is this way. So I want to take one watermelon home for a start, and for a test. I want to take one watermelon home, and the watermelon home that I've really liked, not this one, the other one over there. So let me try and pick it, and when I'll pick it, I want to put it inside my jacket here, inside my jacket, and then I can go with it, because the moment I'll try it here, where will these people? And my wife is very sick for now because she has been attacked by a crazy flu, both baby and her. I don't know now, so I have to take some fruit to them, and the better fruit is I'd rather take one watermelon to them, and then we see how it will be. Okay, all right, so see you at home right now. Okay, yes guys, so I've just harvested one watermelon and I've put it here. I've just harvested one watermelon and put it here because I don't want neighbors to see. If the neighbors see this, they will come and steal. So it's better I put it on the jacket like that and go to the motorbike and ride it home. And of course this time, look, that's our beautiful land. At this time, my sister will be reporting in school after in 4 days. So I want also her to go and try this before she goes to school, and we see how it will be. Okay, right, see you home guys. It's very heavy, oh my god. So before that, baby's in the I'm pregnant right now. I'm very much pregnant, so let's go home and try this challenge of being pregnant with a watermelon. Okay, all right, we are home. Hey sister, yeah. It's heavy. If you fall down with it, we'll see you fire. So guys, we have
I'm
this.
strong.
We have this actually. It's watermelon. So we have to try it right now, right now, right now, right now. Before she goes to school, introduce yourself first.
Morning, guys.
Let me help you.
No.
Okay.
Morning, guys. Afternoon, evening, whichever place I was going to watch this video from. Welcome back to Claude Joseph YouTube channel. It's a nice chilly morning in East Africa, Kenya.
Yes.
Yeah, I hope you're healthy, hope you're fine. Those who are not healthy, those who are sick, I pray for you. May the Lord heal you and you recover soon. And here we have
The big
our baby called watermelon.
watermelon. She can't carry it actually. She cannot.
Oh,
She's
watermelon.
5, but she can't carry this. It's very heavy. Say my hi. Yes.
They say you reap what you sow.
Hey, so I saw this.
Yeah.
So let's go and rip. Okay, guys. See you. Another thing. Let me take it to Bibi. Bibi must fry here, you know. Ah, Bibi. Bibi must say congratulations. Bibi. Bibi. Yoo-hoo. Tumevuna hii bibi kwa shamba. Hey, waambie hi guys.
Hi guys.
Yeah, today I'm feeling little sick. Waambie leo nalala.
Mimi nalala baba.
Sawa. Haya goko. Hii ni watermelon tulivuna kwa shamba yangu. Nimepanda hizi vitu.
Pole baba.
Nimevuna hii kwa shamba.
Nashukuru. Shukuru Mwenyezi Mungu ananiona na ananiletea.
Amina bibi. Sawa, wacha tuikate nikuletea kapisi kadogo. Alright guys, so this is it. Blessings from grandma a little bit. Now my wife and kids wanna celebrate this. Say you there. Hey Maria. Hey Maria. Minhao, can I throw this to you?
Oh my God, guys.
Look at
This
her hands.
is humongous. It's huge.
Hey, now you can put your
Is it like even it's more than 6 kg, I think.
more than 6 kg.
Or 7
And you
or
know-
8 around there.
Yeah, something maybe like let's say it's almost 10. It's so heavy.
It's so heavy, guys.
Yeah.
It should be even 10, I think.
Yeah.
It's-
What do you think?
Oh my God. Congratulations.
Yes.
This is amazing. Oh, I'm so proud of you and happy. Guys, isn't the first one? That
No,
was,
there are more than this. So we just decided to pluck this.
ow, I can't wait to go and pluck.
No, it's for business.
No, I'll buy from you. It's
Yeah,
okay.
buy
I'll buy from you.
This I brought it because
Uh-huh.
we want to share with it as a family, and we also for the YouTube family, they can see our journey. And we see, because I don't know if it's still not ripe inside, because
You just took one to try.
yeah, to try and see how it is, because now I want to interchange the farm and see. Hey Maria, how are you? Maria want to hold it. Maria,
hold it.
Maria, hold.
Hold, baby.
Hold Maria, hold. She can't. Alright guys, let's try and put a knife like sha. And you know, put it here, and we see, okay? Also, let me show my mom. My mama. Everybody must see it. Hey, my mama. Let me show it to her. Biashara. Yeah, is it ready? Nilihoro kabisa. Hey, unai can't hold. Rishikilie usikie uzito. Usikie uzito mama, usikie. Yes, usikie uzito. Uzito wa farmer. Mkulima, eh? Ewe. Mom, and actually because she has a grocery, I'll be also giving them to her some, and then she said, and also if you want some watermelons, you can get it. Unasema ajaambia watu. Ongea na watu, waambie vipi hali. Yeah.
Hali, nashukuru Mwenyezi Mungu tuko salama, naona mwanangu amefanya kazi nzuri. Hii ni pesa hapa atauza, apate kujisaidia na sisi kupata afya njema kupitia hili tu.
Sawa. Amen. Wacha niwakatie kidogo niwalete. Nafaa kwanza tulitembeze road show. Every house. I wish I could have walked with it even all the way to Sirari border. As a what we call like as an advertisement. And also Manu Claude from the farm. This is what you see. Every morning I've been waking up. So let's try and yum this. Don't fall it well, young man. Alright guys, let's go and try and you see, okay? Come we eat, alright? Okay guys. These guys, they're already set.
Yes, you're waiting. Yes, you're actually salivating.
You're salivating.
You're salivating.
Hey.
Oh, it's big, guys. It's like I've never seen this big.
But now they're bigger than that.
Big, but,
Yes.
oh my god.
This one I've just plucked it before it reaches days, because you know sometimes they always say if you don't pluck it at your first as a first farmer, there are some people who are really looking at them and they will come and pluck for it, and that's a bad omen. Yeah. So
you need to test it first.
hey, before. Yeah.
I hope it's right inside.
Hey, let's wait and see. Let's close eyes. You have to cut in the middle like this, sure, and then
No, it's this way.
the strips way. Let's see and see.
I'm
Goes
going
me.
to cut it circular.
Hey, come on, let's put a knife. Let's put a No. 1, 2. Okay. 1. Melo, wait fast. 1, 2, 3. Yeah. Hey, listen. Go.
Oh my god, I'm praying it's red inside.
Let me see. Check. Well, oh my god. Listen, good. Hey.
No. Oh no.
Okay. Yeah.
It's not yet.
Guys, I'm so disappointed because now I thought it's ready. So, but now this tells me that we have remained with half a month, 2 weeks too. So, because this one has really cheated me, but you can see it's really.
Then it's likely to grow even bigger than this.
Yeah, it's likely to grow bigger than this.
And it's so juicy. Oh my
and
god. It's sweet already. It has a lot of sugar already.
It's so juicy. So sweet.
Baby Shian, have a taste, Mama.
Have a taste. At least
There's hope.
there's hope. Because I told you I haven't known how it is. But we have remained with some 4 to 5 weeks. 4 weeks? Almost a month. Because the time we planted and the time to harvest is almost near. We have remained with 1 week for it to be harvested. But now we have to leave it. Because the moment you see this one now, it's almost a week.
And then it means it will grow. It will become red up.
Yeah, up to this side, yeah. So the moment you click it this way, but it's so juicy.
Congratulations. I think
And the sweet and the sugary.
Sukari F1. Very juicy. The only thing that it hasn't changed the color. Hey Maria, give it small to Maria, baby. Alright guys, thank you so much. You have seen how it is. It's bigger but haven't yet ripe, which means they have a potential to grow bigger and bigger
And sweet.
Yeah, and
sweet
also
and
maybe most people will be also asking me when is it due. So this one, it can also grow up to 10 kgs the moment you have seen it. If this one is
this
just
one
for this,
looks like 7, 8.
so they have
so heavy.
this is 80 days. 80 days old. So we have remained with
Let's say 20.
20 days.
100. Let's
Yeah,
put it at 100.
for it to be 100. So the remaining ones will be up to 100. So we have to do more effort and do.
Are you still spraying them, protecting
Yeah,
them?
yeah.
Okay.
If you don't,
that's why they're clean.
Yeah, you see they're clean. All right. Hey, you see how juicy it is? Pouring a lot of water.
Yeah, Maria, come.
Look, guys. And it's so cold. Oh my god.
Yeah.
All right, guys. Thank you so much. Be blessed. Road to 30,000 subscribers and bye.